LG Appliance Error Code? Here's the master list across all LG appliances. LG Refrigerator Codes. Air if, ice maker fan error. Air IS, ice maker sensor error. Air SS, defrost sensor error. Air FS, freezer sensor. Air RS, refrigerator sensor. Air CF, condenser fan error. Air CO, communication error between boards. LG washer codes. OE, drain error, clean the drain filter. IE, inlet water error, check supply valves. UE, unbalanced load. D, door error, door not latching. LE, motor locked error, overloaded drum. PE, water level sensor. FE, overflow, too much water entering. LG dryer codes. D80, D90, D95, vent restriction, need vent cleaning immediately. TE, thermistor error. PS, power supply issue. CL, child lock is on, hold 2 buttons to unlock. LG dishwasher codes. OE, drain error. IE, inlet water error. HE, heater error. LE, motor error. LG specific tip, LG appliances respond well to a hard reset. Unplug for 60 seconds. For washers, also try the reset sequence: power on, press start pause, select the spin speed button, then press start pause again. LG's Flow Sense on dryers is a genuinely useful feature. It warns you about vent problems before they become emergencies. Don't ignore those D codes. LG appliance repair. All error codes diagnosed same day. Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.